Hi beauties and welcome back to another video. My name is Randy and today we're going to be trying on some fall and winter Halara clothes. Thank you so much to Halara for sponsoring today's video. While this video is sponsored, I will be giving you all of my honest opinions. If you like anything that you see in today's video, I'll make sure to have all the links in the description box down below. And don't forget, if you place a Halara order, use my code RANDY20 for 20% off. And Black Friday is coming up, so don't forget to check out Halara's Black Friday deals. And actually, my whole outfit that I'm wearing right now is Halara as well. I have been so obsessed with this pink top and these cozy jeans. But our main focus today is going to be workout clothes. But don't worry, we're gonna throw in a few sweaters and things. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start with workout tops and then go into workout pants. And then I want to show you the sweaters that I got, and I also got one skirt. Let's get started on tops. This first top is just a basic workout top. It has a V neck, and I like that this one has a little bit more length. It's not super crop top. And I had to get a fun fall color. I love how it's kind of pink, but it's still a fun fall orange. Honestly, I cannot rave about Halara's tops enough. The fabric is always really nice and high quality and thick and stretchy. And they always come padded, so you never have to worry about a sports bra or a bra. For me personally, this holds my girls in place when I'm jogging, running, whatever. Now, if you have a bigger chest than me, which most of you probably do, that might not be the same case, but for the most part, this feels like a built-in sports bra. Here is the view from the side and from the back. And another one of my favorite things about Halara tank tops is usually they look like everyday clothes too. So while this is the perfect workout tank top, you can also throw a sweater on over it and dress it up. Okay, let's try on the next top. This next one is just a simple brown tank. It just has a regular back. I know a lot of the Halara tank tops that I get have a twisted back, but this one is just basic. It is quite a bit more cropped than the other one. Once again, this basically feels as supportive as a sports bra. I love this color for fall. The straps are super high quality. Overall, this tank top is just really high quality and you can tell that. Here is the back. Super simple. And this top will be really good for those really high-waisted workout pants. And once again, you can layer it with regular clothing if you want to wear it out and about instead of just to the gym. And I just love the padding that they've been putting in their tank tops recently. It just feels extra supportive. Okay, let's pair this with some pants. I am so excited about all the fall colors that I got in this haul. This is a true November Black Friday haul. This is my absolute favorite style of workout pants from Halara. They have the cross front and it just is so flattering. It's seriously my favorite. And these are long and super stretchy. By the way, I forgot to mention I am a size small for reference. However, Halara does carry a super wide variety of sizes, so they will most likely have your size. I really highly doubt they won't. Let's try these on. Here they are on. They are so comfortable. I love how Halara's pants fit so tight and form-fitting, yet they're like, they don't feel suffocating. So they hold everything in there as they should, but it doesn't feel like you're uncomfortable. Here they are from the side and the back. I love this color for fall. It's so fun. Okay, let's try the next ones. Okay, so these next ones are exactly the same, but they are a dark chocolate brown, and I think this is my favorite color. Like, I love this color for fall. Honestly, these are so perfect. Let's try them on. How cute are these? They seriously fit so perfect. I love that V cut in the front. It's just so flattering. Here they are from the side and the back. Oh, I feel like you can pair this brown with just about anything. This is gonna be so cute to style for fall. My fiance and I actually signed up for a 5K run this Thanksgiving, so I think these might be the ones that I wear because how freaking cute. My Thanksgiving leggings. Next, we have yet another shade of brown. I know that's a shocker, but I'm showing you all the brown shades that I got for fall just so you can tell the differences between the different browns. Honestly, this shade of brown is gorgeous too. Super cute from the back. These are seriously just the best fitting pants. Oh my gosh, I forgot to mention one of the most important parts about these pants. The style pants with the V-cut front. They have the best little pockets right here, which as you know is quite essential when you're working out. Okay, let's try the next pair. Okay, so we're gonna mix it up a bit. No more browns. Here is a bright blue. I love it. It is just so gorgeous. Let's try them on. Aw, I love the blue. I think this is so cute. I feel like this would be really cute with one of their white tank tops. Here they are from the back. These are so fun. How cute. They're so bright. Such a big difference between the brown and this bright blue. That is one of my favorite things about Halara is they have such a wide variety in their color selection. You can seriously get whatever shade of color you want essentially. I also got a shade of maroon since that is in the brown family, but it's a bit more red and a very fall and winter color. Wow, I feel like this color looks even more rich on. Like it just looks very dark and deep and like berry-like Christmas berries, like cranberry sauce pants. I'm so obsessed. This V-cut style is seriously just my perfect workout pant. Clearly, that's why I got them in every single color. But when you work out every day, you kind of need to change your pants every day, so. Now we are changing over to their street clothes. This is the cutest little black corduroy skirt. I love that about Halara. It feels like all of their skirts are actually skirts, so you never feel like you're gonna flash anyone. I actually already have this skirt in white or like a cream color, and I wear it all the time. So I was like, I need to get a dark one so I can do it with dark outfits too. That is seriously the perfect length. And here are the hidden shorts underneath. Here it is from the side and from the back. I love how everything just fits so nicely. Like I never have to worry about Halara's stuff fitting weird. I feel like whenever I go to in-person stores, the majority of what I try on just doesn't fit right. But I get everything from Halara online and every time everything fits perfectly. Okay, let's pair this with some sweaters. The first cardigan I got is just so stunning. I couldn't help it. I love the material and how it's woven, and the golden buttons are just such a pretty detail. I'm seriously gonna be wearing this all winter long. I honestly feel like the sweater and the skirt go perfectly together. And this material is so soft. Here it is from the back. And of course you can unbutton it too. I just really like the look of it buttoned up personally. I love how it has cute little tiny pockets right here. And you can pair this with so many things. You can pair it with skirts, jeans, or over a dress. You could do so much with this. So obviously I had to get it in the other color. Now they don't have a million colors and stuff like this, but their workout clothes usually they do. But since this is more of a special piece, this one only had 2 colors, I believe. There might have been 3. This is a really beautiful blue navy. It's kind of hard to tell the difference between the sweater and the skirt because they're both such dark colors, but this sweater is absolutely gorgeous. I am so obsessed. I can't get over how soft it is. I feel like usually when you put sweaters on that look like this, they are very uncomfortable. But this is just so soft. Thank you guys so much for watching today's Halara Try On Haul. And thank you so much again to Halara for sponsoring today's video. And if you haven't already watched my most recent Halara Try On Haul, I'll go ahead and link it here for you to watch. Don't forget that all the items that I tried on in today's video are linked in the description box down below. And make sure you use my discount code RANDY20 for 20% off when you place your order with Halara. If you haven't already found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.